So we got bell peppers, different color bell peppers, and all that. And yeah, right. Then she gonna pour it into the little pan with oil. Pour the bell peppers and all that into a pan. Garlic, chili season, whatever they say. That stuff is hot, but okay. Then that's really good. This girl Tabitha season. And maybe I had to drain it. And she gonna pull the stuff out from. She gonna pull the noodles out. Okay. Then go a little hot. Hey, you gonna stir it up while it's cooking. Real good. Get all the seasonings in there. Then you gonna put the seasonings in the noodles. The bell pepper and the season, all that into the noodles. Then you gonna add, I don't know how to say that, but basically some sauce in there. Gonna stir it around like she doing in the video. Y'all can tell. Then you gonna put it into a little pretty bowl.